License casinos with good bonuses on the first deposit in the description link on Twitter and in the enshrined comment. Check in and win!
Let me know if you have any pain in the low back of the hips. Granted, you might have tight calves or tight hamstrings. Okay, we're going to just lower it a little bit. Flex the foot. Any issues there? We're going to bend the knee, cross over. Any pain? I already heard a little. Okay. Flex the foot down. Any pain with that? Good. We're going to bend that knee, come across. Any pain with this? I'm going to raise up. Any pain with this? Good. Any pain when I bring that leg in? Bring that up? Okay, good. Any pain with this? Any pain with that? Okay, good. So now, there we go. Okay, just a T2 on the right. There we go. I know you felt probably something heavy. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good. One more time. And exhale out. Perfect. Raise this right leg up as high as you can for me. Any pain, tenderness, tightness with that? Alright, relax that side. Raise this side for me. Any pain, tenderness, tightness with that? Roll you a little bit here. Perfect. Come a little bit closer to me. Right there. There it was. Flip to the other side. Right there. There it was. And do the other side also. There we go. Yep, and interlock your fingers like mine. Yep. Okay. So I'm going to lean you back onto me. Trust fall onto me. Squeeze your elbows together. There we go. And exhale out. Go down, go down, go down. Good. Already cleared out. And you can relax there. You can relax your arms. From here, we stand at the top of the table. Patience just relaxed.
Where would you say that you notice your lack of flexibility, upper, lower back?
My entire back. Like, it literally doesn't bend.
So hard on yourself.
Like, I'm serious.
And out. Beautiful. That definitely needed to move. Shoulders relaxed, okay.
Ooh.
Amazing. And breathe. Chest relaxed. Wow. Okay, so you got everything right here, huh? Lift your hips up in the air for me. Up, and then drop them. Big breath in and out. Wow. Very tight.
Whew, yes.
Slightly. Okay, a little bit better, right?
Yes.
We're going it back. You got it. Wow.
We're going to adjust his SI joint for you. You get a lot more views, Roman, if you wore yoga pants. As well, you're supposed to have a lordosis down in the lumbar spine, forward curve here. Now first, put this curve back in your cervical spine. Get your whole head up over your biomechanics better. Okay. There you go. Good. It's a Gonstead technique for the lower thoracics. You see I'm bringing your head. There we go. There we go. There you go. Also in his x-rays, he shows some AC joint impingement with a little spurring on his AC joint, acromioclavicular joint. So I've already adjusted that on this table. I'm going to go ahead and adjust his glenohumeral joints right now. So we don't feel that bad. Let it go. There. You gotta relax a little bit. You're strong, so. I've already had my workout for this morning. I'm right at T12L1. There it is, right there. That was. I'm gonna put this under your occiput and your chin, mandible. Take a breath through your nose. Wiggle your left big toe. There it is.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let your head relax in my hand here. With your left ear. There you go. I got to tilt right a little bit. Boy, oh boy, doesn't get any better now. First together. I'm trying not to let you fall over. I haven't lost a patient on the floor yet. I wouldn't want to start with you. There you go. Okay, now relax. Oh.
That reaction.
I died a little.
Classic. She crispy.
I have caught myself all day.
I saved it up for this.
Yeah.
Bring it back over. Deep breath. Go like that.
Me and Bo are best friends.
What's up? Nice. And sit-ups. But that works too. Alright, hand on the hip. And pull the elbow back. Good. And same thing here. And pull.
Okay, Carlos, we're supposed to be friends.
Good. Okay, come back down. Keep doing that one. And breathe. Breath is good.
Oh yeah, breathe.
So, there. Right ear to right shoulder. Come back. Good. Yeah. Keep doing that. As far as you can. So.
Ow, 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 ow.
Totes got this.
No, I don't.
Totes. There's the good one.
Okay, you got it.
If you still feel it, you don't have it yet.
I
Still kinda
tap,
lean
tap
away from
out. Tap out.
Lean back. Deep breath. And out.
Damn, Daniel.
Damn, Daniel. Becky with the good cracks.
Holy fucking shit, sorry. I felt that like all the way down.
See me? And then scoot up to the edge. Perfect. Okay. Deep breath in, out. There. Same thing on this side.
Whoa, too close to the edge.
Deep breath in and out.
Oh yes,
I like it.
very nice.
And out.
Trust crunch.
Go up and down.
There's the good stuff. There it is.
Up and down?
Yeah.
Holy. Ah. Praise the Lord.
After this one.
What? You talking shit about my subscaps?
Tilt over. Gonna do about a dog.
This way?
Other way.
That way.
That way.
Okay.
This way.
Ooh.
And here. Nice. Very nice.
Fuck this!
Yeah, that's a
God
good
damn it!
Yeah.
Here we go.
And then I'm gonna get under
What?
here.
We're going to work here on this QL multifidus. Good breathings. We got to align the spine. Get the mindset right. The body can heal. Get sir. Stop breathing and no help. I'll do all the work. Foot relaxed. Beautiful. A little bit of motion there. Beautiful. That was the cuboid on this foot, the navicular on this one. Breathe in and out. Beautiful. Now that was good, wasn't it? Adjusting him again. We got even better motion. The inflammation's coming down. Woo! Good job, circle. And out. Chest relaxed. Ooh, little tiny bit. Now lay on your leg down. There we go. You okay?
Yeah.
My man, my man. Breathe in deep. And communicate. Scoot your hips over that way. Then the body can't heal. You okay here, sir?
Yeah.
Breathe. Now, follow a little motion here. There we go. The body's a kinetic chain. Again, stiff there. We're going to go from a different range. Same joint, different way of adjusting it. Almost on that one. Breathe in deep. And out. There we go, just like that, sir. Beautiful there. You okay? Breath in, sir. And out. Hips relaxed, shoulders relaxed. Drop again, drop here. Beautiful. 2 movements. Beautiful. And then tighten your abs. Hands on top of mine. Squeeze down. A little tiny bit harder. And then chest up. Fall back, 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 back. Ooh, wow.
And that's really sore right there.
Ow.
You got a little of that sway back going on, muscle spasm all that. Just make sure I ask.
Scared me. Never again.
Oh, I've heard that before.
No, never.
gonna be pretty sore because they've been out for a while. It's been a while for you for your adjustment.
I know. Kid.
Thought you didn't love me anymore.
And now it's so hard. Oh my god. Oh.
Yeah, you're noisy one. That's why crack addicts love you. There you go. Look at that.
God.
Yep. Yes, ma'am.
Oh. I feel like I'm gonna lose a lot. Myself against the wall while I was pregnant.
What, this adjustment?
No, the back one.
Oh. Well, you knew because there you go. You a handful?
Yeah.
Probably just like you, huh? Is he just like Brooke?
He has my personality for
Yeah.
sure.
Atta girl. Should have felt that from your knee all the way up to your pelvis.
Heavens, I did.
Okay, let me have this one too. Atta girl. Good job.
Girl,
Yes,
sorry, ready?
ma'am.
Like I just
There you go.
look at Jace.
See how dorky mom looks now?
Look at that. I can't. It always makes me laugh.
Uh-huh. Especially when you see it on film.
I
huh?
know. God, you think I was an adult or something. Can't. I do get asked.
Alrighty. Yeah, just keep your teeth together, and I'll start if you keep your mouth shut. There you go. Perfect. Yeah. There you go. Boy, you're gonna feel like a new woman this afternoon.
Oh
Back
my
at the
God.
wall behind you, you're gonna feel a little tap on your atlas there. And there. And now, this time when
Let me know if you have any pain in the low back or the hips with this. Any pain with that? If I bring this foot forward, any pain? Good. We're gonna bend this knee here. I'm gonna cross it over. Any pain in the low back of the hips with that? Any pain?
Yeah, top left hand corner.
Right in here?
Yeah, about right here.
Oh, right there. Okay. So we got pain with that. If I bring this foot in, any pain with that? Or if I bring it out? Okay, good. We're gonna do the same thing here. Any pain with that?
Nah, there's
Spine here. Okay. Now coming in, went from the thoracic into the lumbar. Any pain over the right SI joint?
Is that belt in the way?
No. Good. Drop down to T2 on the right here. There we go. Felt how that just... Good. One more time, deep breath in. And all the way out. Good. We're gonna do one more here. And all the way out. Perfect. Right leg up as high as you can for me. Any pain, tenderness, tightness with that? Alright, relax that side. Raise the left side for me as high as you can. Any pain, tenderness, tightness with that? No, okay. Good. Flip to the other side. There we go. There it goes. Lay flat on your back for me. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Okay, just slightly open. And relax.
Okay, just breathe through your nose for me now, Raquel. Just like that. Home run. All right. Okay, let me have your neck. Okay, got one more. There it is. Wow. That's a girl. Wow. That's what they like. There. I think I had this up a little high on Dale there, so let me turn it down a little for you. There we go. And we're going to adjust her sacrum right down the center as well to separate L5 from the sacrum. And then I'm going to adjust L5 straight P to A in the Z axis. L4, L3, L2, all the way up into L1. Now I'm going to adjust into her lower thoracics. Okay. Keep breathing. That girl. There it is. That's all of them. Let's recheck. Now we're adjusting her cervical curve back forward, because she looks down a lot in her job. So that kind of reverses the curve in her neck. So I'm just going to bring your head up and back. I'll try not to mess up your makeup. There you go. Now slide down this way just a tad and put both arms straight out to the sides for me. Okay. You might want to slide up just a little bit. There you go. There, better. That's not as bad. No. That girl. Okay, now you can back. No, let me have it. There you go. You feel that all the way up?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, let this one go like a limp rag for me. I got you. That girl.
Yeah.
Good job. Okay. Musculoskeletal system and get him to relax enough. There you go.
That one's always a cute pop.
You're always a cute pop.
Oh, thanks.
Crackheads definitely love you.